Monday, June 8th, 2026. Digging the footer because we want to get some bin blocks in today. Been a long time coming for the backfill.
There's that one we hit the other day.
I wonder what that is. Yeah, that water table's pretty high. It's right there. No, he's hitting it now.
Yeah, that's what I was about to say. It's like, right about at like 3.5 foot, 4 foot.
Mm-hmm.
Like that still has to come up probably 2 or 3 inches of snow that's there.
Yeah, like right here.
Another load of crushed concrete for the base, and it'll be tamped. Cutting the bin block so it fits against the footer foundation. Crushed concrete tamped in 10-inch lifts.
There's my 8 here. 6 to 8 inches.
And we're about to set the first bin block. with that fiberboard.
Yeah.
Oh.
You gotta cut it, right?
Yeah. You can score that with a knife and break it down. Might be easy.
Oh, Steve was trying to pocket my knife.
Careful, man. Holding it there. Watch your finger.
Yeah.
Almost need like get needle nose.
Yeah, a third one.
I'm good here if you got a stick or something over there. I'm holding it up with a stick. That's good, but front side to side, wonder if it's that holding it up. Because when it was flat against the building, this way, is that level?
No. Straighten your chain.
It's about this time I had to jump in and help. So I didn't have my tripod with me. And the last thing we're going to see is the row continuing once we had about 6 or 7 of them in.